Hello everyone. In this video I'll explain about the basic UI of Ubuntu and some of its important features. For installing Ubuntu, I'll use VirtualBox here. Two files which are required for this process. First one is setup file of Oracle VirtualBox and the second one is ISO file of Ubuntu operating system. Download links of both the files are given in the description of the video. Ubuntu is free and open source operating system which comes with various pre-installed applications. First of all, you need to install Oracle VirtualBox. After the installation, you need to open it, then click on the new option and type a name of the operating system. Then click on next and set the size of the RAM for this virtual OS. Choose VDA option, then next, select dynamic allocation, then next, and set the size of the storage. Finally, click on create. Now select the newly created virtual OS and click on the option button. A window will be popped up and you need to select the storage option. Under the control ID it's written empty. You have to select this and click on the disk icon to load the ISO file of the operating system and finalize it by clicking on OK. Now the VirtualBox is ready for virtual booting. Simply click on the start button to run the operating system. Initially it will take a couple of minutes to run the OS. So this is the interface of Ubuntu operating system. Let me adjust the screen resolution first. Well, this is the app tray where you can find all the installed application. This is the home folder using which you can navigate to any files or directory present in this computer. Let's open some application and find out various useful features of this operating system. Here I have opened LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Calc and Calculator. In this panel, all red marked applications are in running state. If you want to perform multiple tasks at the same time, the OS provide you the support of multiple desktop options. To activate it, you need to click on this activities option which is present at the top of the interface. As soon as you click on this, you can see all the running applications, and at the right side of the screen you can see the panel of multiple desktop. Simply drag the application to a new desktop and you can easily switch from one desktop to another. At the middle portion of this bar, you can see the system's date and time. If you click on this, then you will have the access to the notification panel and the calendar. If there is any requirement of application apart from the pre-installed applications, you can download from this Ubuntu software app. Ubuntu operating system comes with pre-installed Mozilla Firefox browser. You can easily connect to the internet with the help of this. This is the trash folder which is similar to recycle bin. So all the temporarily deleted files will be kept over here in this folder. And this is called the option panel, from where you can adjust the volume, check the internet connection, you can open settings and you can power off your computer. That's all. Hope the video will help you. Thanks for watching the video.